This is a really neat thing that I found on this here iPad, the engraving in the back. This is an iPad mini 4th generation. As you see, I don't know if I can get my camera to focus very well, but you can see that a different engraving machine, or however they engrave these things, was used for the dot of the I on iPad and the P there, and even the fine lettering. It's kind of, you're not going to really see that fine lettering too much, but you can see the difference. Isn't that neat? I've just never noticed that on one of these, but probably there's a bunch like this because they're all done in bulk. But that's just so cool. I never noticed that. But I wanted to just show you guys. You can there see the little letters. Like each letter was kind of a different machine. I'm sure there's like 2 or 3 machines doing this at the same time. But yeah, ain't that cool? Just neat. Okay, well, that's all I needed to show you guys today. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.